yesterday evening and shot at a real nice 8-pointer. But missed the 8-pointer. He's about 125 yards out. But been hunting hard. It's real still this morning, so I'm hoping that we'll get lucky. It's a beautiful morning, real cold, but I think we're going to see some action, so stay tuned. Southern Iowa, and it's day 2. It's been cold, windy. It was 4 degrees this morning. Man, I'm excited. Had a big group of deer coming in. 2 bucks. The last buck coming in was definitely a shooter. And man, they came right to me. Exciting. And, well, let's get down and we'll go take a look.
Well, folks, we got them down. Beautiful deer. Man, I'm tickled to get this deer. Nice heavy 8-pointer. Got some good mass to him. Nice brow length as well. Definitely hard to let the buck like this pass by. But what an exciting morning. We had 8 to 10 does come in, and I mean, it was over pretty quick, I guess. I mean, they came in ahead of me, north of me about 300 yards, and circled down the creek and came my way. And there was one smaller buck with them, and then this guy stepped out, and I held up and waited till he got here, close enough range, and they were coming right to me, so I let them come right to my stand. I had all the does were underneath my stand, and a smaller buck, and this one was about 35 yards. And spine shot him, shot a little bit high, but that's alright. It's close range like that. I gotta remember to aim a little bit lower, but anyway, been hunting hard. It's been cold. Yesterday it was 35 mile an hour winds, below 6 degrees or 10 degrees below zero. I did shoot a nice doe yesterday evening, and I did shoot at a nice 8-pointer, but it was he was a ways out there. I missed him. It was a clean miss, but anyway, just tickled to take this buck with my muzzleloader. It's my first buck with muzzleloader, actually. I mean, as far as size-wise, largest buck. So very excited, and pretty much done for the season, I guess. Do late season muzzleloader landowners, and still got bow tags, so maybe we'll get lucky late season and get another chance at a buck on late season muzzleloader, and I'm sure we'll have a few does down as well. So gotta get her field dressed and get them out of here.